We will continue the chapter again. Okay. As the Velu was just walking after that girl, na, when they came from that bridge, na, she was keep on moving, and he was just walking after her. As it was the morning, na, and the sun was very strong in the morning, so he was feeling very uncomfortable as his feet was started burning because of heat. He used to walk in his village on the mud road, but this was the road where his feet was started burning, and he was full of sweat, and he was trying to walk as fast with her because she was walking very fast, and he was trying to walk in the shade and also to walk with the girl at the same time. At that time, na, he was just walking with her. As she was walking very fast, she was trying to get much of the things which she was trying to keep in her sack, na, and to collect that thing she was walking fast. And as she was walking fast, he was also walking behind her. How far away was the food? And after some time, na, he asked to that girl Velu that how far is the food, how long, how much time it is going to take. They were walking almost for 1 hour, and he was just following her. After some time, na, she stops in front of a big building. It was a building where the marriage occasion was going on. There was a board was written of groom and bride, and there was one car also which was decorated with garlands, and rose were taped on it. So what these girls do, she just pull out one of the flower from that garland, and she stuck that flower in her hair. And from the after that, na, she tells him to come on. So he asked her that whether we are going to eat in this big hall or what, where there are so many people. So she says hope it would be, but it is not like that. And she tells him to move from there, and they lead him, and where they go, they move behind. Means they just keep on walking from there, and they reach at the back side of the hall, where there was a big garbage bin overflowing with all the rubbish things. The goats were eating there from the wastage which was thrown from that marriage hall. And as it was in the morning only, na, so there were not many food. So the cloud of flies, means as they were throwing the waste food which they have taken in the breakfast, na, the remaining part of the food they have thrown in this garbage, and the two goats were eating that waste food, and many flies were there on that things. So she takes that Velu there, and she tries to search something. देर वॉज लॉट ऑफ रोटन स्मेल, सड़ी हुई बास आ रही थी वहाँ से, और वो लड़की उसमें से उसके लिए कुछ ढूंढती है. शी स्क्वेज समथिंग एंड शी फाउंड्स अ बनाना, एंड शी टेल्स टू द वेलू दैट हियर इज़ योर फूड, and she gives that banana to that to Velu, and tell him that you have to eat this food. So when the Velu sees that, na, he says, "Chee, I don't like to eat such kind of thing. I only eat the things which are untouched. I don't eat the leftover food or all such kind of things from this dirty place," he says to her. But what she says, she says that, "Come on, hero, if you are not going to eat, that you don't think that I will feed you. I don't have money for you to purchase the food for you. You have to eat this only until you have your own money." वो उसे कहती है कि तुम्हें तो जो भी है यही खाना पड़ेगा, मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है तुम्हारे लिए खाना खरीदने के, और तुम्हें यही खाना पड़ेगा जब तक तुम्हारे पास अपने पैसे नहीं है. जब तुम्हारे अपने पैसे आ जाएंगे तब तुम अपने पैसों से कुछ भी खरीद लेना, पर अभी तो तुम्हें यही खाना पड़ेगा. एंड शी फाउंड्स द वन वड़ा ऑल्सो इन द बनाना लीफ इन दैट गार्बेज. शी गिव्स दैट वड़ा एंड बनाना to the Velu. He founds very he thinks that this is very dirty thing, but when he was trying to tell her na, that he don't want to eat, at that time his stomach squeeze him and he has no other option than to eat that, and he eats that banana and vada. At that time he can eat 10 times more than the food which that girl had given to him, but she found only one banana which she herself eat that banana and they moves from there. She says to him that it is too early, they have only taken the lunch. मुझे लगता है इन लोगों ने अभी तो सिर्फ लंच ही लिया होगा, और अगर इफ़ यू वांट टू हैव सम मोर फूड ना, यू वेट हियर ओनली, आफ्टर लंच ना you will get some more food, she says to him. And she also tells him that you can wait here, but I don't have time, I have some work, and because of that I am going from here. And she starts picking the bottles and other things from that garbage bin, and she stuck them all that things stuff in her sack, and she start moving from there. After that now when she starts moving, Velu start getting panic. He feel fear that if this girl will go, what will happen of me, as I don't know where I am or where I have to go. This girls know where to go and she knows this place properly, so he thinks that I must stick with her only, it would be better for me. And he just starts running after her again, and he calls him, uh, why don't you wait here, what is your name? So she turns back and she says that you are means just following me from so long and you don't even know my name. So she says that my name is Jaya, and I am not, and she says na that why you are following me, I have give you the food also. So he says that I am not following you, I am just coming with you. So he asks her that can I come with you? Where are you going? So she says to him that you can come if you want, but my bag is full now and I have to go to my home to get the another one. Means her one bag was full of now all that trash things, and now she wants to go home and wants to take the another sack from the home. So she tells him that come if you want to, and you can I want to go to my home to take the another sack. Okay, so this was the end of the second part of the chapter. Now in the next video we will start the third part of the chapter. Okay.